I am giving full e-girl aesthetic right now. This is a cute look, I'm not gonna lie. This is cute. I have pearls like all over. I prefer rhinestones, but I don't have any, so pearls will do. But yeah, I'm about to go out. I'm going to my friend's house, and then after that we're going to a party. But before I go, you already know I have to hit my protein goals for the day. So I'm just gonna have a protein shake, and then I'll head over. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'll just wait until I get to her apartment to show you my outfit, because she has a better mirror than I do and better lighting as well. Yeah, better lighting as well. So yeah, and also don't mind the quality of this video. I am recording using my phone, my laptop. Well, not my laptop, but my camera is dead, and I don't really have professional lighting, so this is the best I can do. But hopefully later tonight I find better lighting, so you guys can see the whole aesthetic and the whole fit. It's cute. It's cute. This is the fit for tonight. I'm wearing regular sneakers, like white sneakers. They're just my gym sneakers, and then cargo pants. And this top, this had like 2 long sleeves, but then one of them came off because I got it from Shein and it's super cheap. So I just left it, and it's actually, look, it's very edgy. But yeah, honestly, I don't know if it's just me, but like the more I grow up, not grow up. Oh my god, that sounded so low. But the older I get, that's what I mean. The older I get, the less effort I want to put into my outfits for like to go clubbing. I mostly put the effort into my face, and then the rest of the outfit can just look just comfortable and basic. Oh my god. Hi, Coco. No, I'm not. We are going to party in a castle. That is really cool. I'm not gonna lie. This beats every other parties in every. Oh my god! But the line is so long though.
Okay, we have to ask if this is the correct line. We have to ask if this is the correct line though.
Okay. Who wants to ask?
Where is she going?
No, she's gonna ask where if this is the correct line for the party, because we don't want to get into the wrong line. But this is dope. This is a castle, guys. Have you ever gone clubbing at a castle before? Only in Europe, of course. I'm a lady. This is a castle. This is my castle. My husband is a lord.
Really bad accent she's got going on there.
Okay, I'm trying.
Like the daytime brunches?
I'm doing the best with what I got.
Like an outdoor electronic party? And they do
Hey guys. Oh, okay. There are still like 2 girls in the back that are like not part of our squad.
So they do like
a party. Guys, so don't mind the glare and this. Why is it doing that? I dropped my phone not too long ago, and there's like a little scratch across the camera, and so now every time I take videos or pictures, like there's there's a huge glare. Oh, anyway, last night was wild. I had a lot of fun. However, I got into a fight with this dude towards the end of the night, because like, okay, so I went there with him, right? And we were like talking the entire night, but I was also having fun. So like, towards the end, he asked me to go home with him, and I was like obviously intoxicated, and I came with my friends, so I wanted to leave with my friends, right? And once I said no, this man caught the biggest attitude and he just like left. I'm like, as a grown man, like I lost all respect for you. Like I lost all respect for him that night. And yeah, I'm like, why would you want to take a drunk girl out? Like, I mean, why would you want to take a drunk girl home? You know, like that's not full consent. But that's a different conversation. Anyway, so that's a different conversation. Also, my skin, look at my skin, it is getting so much better. And yeah, like that was weird to me, but again, like emotions were flying high. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna see him again, but like that was, yeah, the whole thing was kind of creeped me out a bit. But right now I'm going to get burgers with my friend Coco, and then later I'm just gonna watch Netflix, so there's not gonna be much vlogging for the rest of the day. Of course. What? Oh my god, I just filmed the couple over there.
I was like, oh shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then it was like really, like it was, I don't know, it was really different for me. It was like a really European party because it was like,
But they still have
really different people, you know?
But they still have good like Afrobeat. They had like Afrobeat. They played like, honestly, I don't even remember what the music. I was just vibing. I was dancing and checking my ass.
Look, I even gotta get all the hoes.
Girl, I was. When I tell you, I turn blown lesbian when I go out and I drink. I don't even like want to kiss or anything. I just want to dance with them. I'm like, wow, you are beautiful, and I want to hug you to myself. And it's like the guys were not given, so it's like I was hyping it. I had hoes. I had all.
But
of
everyone was nice. It was like a euphoria party.
Yeah.
Right? Everyone was like dressed up different.
And they Huh? Your coat? Oh my, you're so charming. This store is gorgeous. It's like 3 different levels. So yeah. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So today is a reset Sunday. It's just a day, well, it's mostly on Sundays, but it's just when I had a chaotic week. I usually like to clean my space completely, sage my environment, and make sure I am prepared for the next week, and just setting intention for the upcoming week. So that's what I'm doing today. My room is honestly a disaster. I will show you guys around, but I'm gonna show you guys around. I don't care. But my room is not the most aesthetically pleasing room. It's just a regular room with all my stuff around. So this is real life, guys. This is real life. None of this is curated, by the way. And I just woke up, as you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like. Hi there. This is my desk filled with stuff. My bed, not made at all. Dresser, stuff all over. I even have a bowl on the floor. I'm not gonna show you guys. It's disgusting. Bunch of clothes right here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean up the space. I'm gonna put you right here, actually. Hopefully this tripod, this tripod better work. Oh no, it's not gonna work. It's gonna fall over. So let's see, maybe these are laundry. Yeah, these are the clean laundry. I did laundry yesterday, so I didn't have time to fold everything. I went to a party. Well, I vlogged yesterday, so you guys know I went to a party, and I was like super hungover yesterday, although I managed to do some things. But my space, I really didn't have the energy to clean, so that's what I'm doing today. And I wanted to go to the flea market and show you guys the flea market. It's honestly like the biggest flea market I've ever been to. It's like honestly sensory overload. But honest, like you find everything and anything you could possibly think. And I need some socks, and they have cheap socks over there, so I'm gonna go. But today's a beautiful day, and I honestly wish it was open, but it's not. And most of the other department stores I wanted to go to, because I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, I'm going to Tenerife, so I need some outfits. So yeah, I need some outfits, and yeah, everything is closed today, so I'm just gonna rethink about what I'm doing. Yeah, these are my workout clothes. I want more workout clothes, but they're so expensive. If anybody is watching this video, Gymshark, any athletic brand who wants to send me clothes, please feel free. I will accept them with open heart and open mind and open everything. But yeah, athletic wear is so expensive. It's like one legging is like almost 50 euros or $50 for one legging, and they don't really have sales that often. Honestly, I should have bought stuff for like the holiday season. I was a little bit broke, so I couldn't buy anything. Also, the way I am bending over is not very comfortable. Anyway, let me just clean my room. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. I just got back home from the grocery store and now I'm having chicken cutlet with pasta as my second meal. And yeah, I'm just gonna edit some videos later, and that's really what my Sunday reset consists of. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. You can even put this video to play a few times, you know, that'll help me out. Yeah, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.